Hey everybody, my name is Austin Childress. I am the Director of Education for Carabello Coffee here in Newport, Kentucky, and these videos are brought to you by Roasty. Today, I'm going to be talking you through a latte. It's a lot of people's favorite drink. What is a latte and how are we going to make one at home? So, a latte is traditionally a 10 to a 12 ounce drink that's made from espresso and steamed milk. In some places it might be 16 ounces up to 20 ounces, but the principle remains the same. You're just adding espresso and milk together. It's a really simple drink and it's really delicious. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull my normal amount of espresso. I'm just adding more milk than normal. So I'm gonna do just under 2 ounces of brewed espresso, and then about 10 ounces of milk will go into this drink for me. So for this, I'm gonna steam it pretty hot. My milk is gonna get up to about 160 degrees. You can kind of take it from there depending on what you like. The idea is, this is a big cup. You're gonna be sipping on it for a while, so you're gonna want it to be on the hotter end of the spectrum so it stays hot longer and you can enjoy it as much as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on it. So I am putting about 16.5 grams of ground coffee into my portafilter. This should be pretty on par with a home machine. I'm gonna pull the espresso directly into my mug. I'm gonna steam my latte milk, and I'm looking for just little gentle sounds like paper tearing. I'm gonna heat my milk until it feels just uncomfortable to the touch. Now I have my espresso in my mug, I have my steamed milk over here, and I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in. I'm gonna tilt my cup, go about 3 or 4 inches above it. Just begin to fill it up at first. Once it starts getting a little bit more full, I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna get as close as I can in there with my pitcher. And there is your latte. Enjoy.